Guys, welcome back to How To's channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unlink Instagram from Facebook. So let's dive in. So here's our Facebook. The first step is click on your profile menu. That is a profile picture. Then the next step is click on this three menu button. I'm going to show my tab. Sorry guys. So now click on the stream menu button, and the next step is click on edit. Click on your edit and you scroll down to go and find your link. Click on edit, and these are the links that you have added. So this is your Instagram. Click on this pencil and click on remove, and you have automatically remove your Instagram, unlink your Instagram from Facebook. So guys, if this helpful, click the like button, share and comment. Thank you guys.